time. It was getting too tall. I have to rake it all up. It's okay though. It's getting done. Was that a rock?
It was a stick.
Oh, I couldn't see. I just saw that you threw something.
I'm horrible at this.
Maybe Anthony will switch jobs with you.
I am. Mom said to.
No, I said maybe you would. Do you want to switch jobs with
I
him?
don't want to do the whole stupid yard.
It's too hot to do work outside. He ran in and got on the vent. He says it's too hot. You don't want to go and weed eat with him? Or pick up all the grass that's cut? You don't want to help him? No? Okay. So they did not switch jobs. Where's that boy going? Even Liliana is doing work. It's not yard work. Would you want to change jobs with them? No. You sure?
No, I'm almost done.